Guys, welcome to lesson number 2. Guys, welcome to lesson number 2, where we are going to be learning from beginner to pro trader. So, just give me a minute. I share my link to those that have not been notified yet that we are live. That and I'm not feeling really okay. So we are live, right? So let's give them like a few minutes. They join. That's good. So allow me to take a handkerchief before they all join, right? If that's okay with you, let's give them time to join. So guys, people are joining. Yeah, join, guys. Let's get started. Morning, welcome. No, it's not corona. Nilinyeshewa mahali. My generator kulipotea stima, my generator ikajam. So hiyo process ya kukimbia ni fix generator nini, kanyeshewa. Yeah, man. Join. Why are people not joining? Kwani nimetuma the wrong link? Welcome, guys. I think I sent the wrong link. Let me send the right link. Yes, guys, let's go. Lesson number 2. Guys, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. What's happening? What's happening? How long did it take me to be okay? It depends with what you are doing. Yeah. How long does it take to be like consistently? Now this is what you're doing for a living. Now it depends. Yeah. It depends. Sawa. It depends on how you are getting started. Let's say someone can opt to pay like me or pay a reliable mentor. Yeah, maximum it can take if you know people are very different because our people are very different. So we can be talking of 3 months. If you are dedicated to yourself and you have maybe a good mentor, it will take you 3 months. The first month you learn theory, the second month you learn, or do you learn practicals. The third month you already have your practicals and you get started and do it as a career. That's 3 months. If you have the right mentor, like he's there to hold you, like people that pay me for classes. That's what we hope for. But you have to understand some people, yes, you can pay, but you don't have that self drive. Yeah. Like you paid expecting Forex to be something very like something like a cheat code to life, and then the moment you find it's not like a cheat code, you have to learn like the way we were learning in school, people give up. Another thing, it can also take years. Like me, it took me almost 3 years because I had no one to guide me. I was just doing trial and error. Okay, so the same way I've done this class, people will join, some will not. Yeah, some will be today's class, tomorrow some will be not, won't be. Yeah, you understand? So you will end up like you wasting, like, even people have even wasted like 10 years. I know someone that traded for 10 years before being profitable because you are just to this you're always finding the wrong people to follow. Yeah, you buy robots this year, you give up, you come back next year. So yeah, if that's why normal, if you really want this thing to work on you like full time, you have to invest your time, energy, you have to be crazy about it. Yeah, so that it can give you the results that you want. So let me post live for the last time. Are people not online? Let me just give me a minute. I post it for the last time and we start. So what are we learning on lesson 2? Lesson 2, yeah, on lesson 2, yes. Yeah, lesson 2. So what are we learning on lesson 2? Yesterday we learned about the basics of trading view. I didn't mention MT5 and MT4, so today we'll just go through MT5 very quickly. Yeah. Okay. So today I wanted to teach you a very simple strategy called rejection, but I don't think that would be wise because we haven't learned about the market structure. Yes, how to build a trading strategy and so on. So let's not get into that strategy. Okay, so I've said, what are we starting with? MT5. MT5. So let me see if I can broadcast my screen. Okay. No problem, guys. We continue. Yeah. So let me broadcast my screen. Yesterday we learned about the trading view. So should we go through MT5 really quickly? Yes. MT5 and MT4, they are all the same. So let me broadcast my screen. Broadcast my screen. I don't know why people are not joining today, man. Okay, we continue. So I hope you are seeing my screen nice. Now I will share my iPhone. Yeah, I will share my iPhone. You see the MT5 and MT4. Allow Google to find devices in local network. Don't allow. Okay. So I want to find the iPhone mirroring so that I show you like that. Nice. Now, guys, this is what we call an MT4. This is an MT4. Yeah. So basically, it's the same as MT5. Let me confirm that, but it's actually the same. So here is where you have your quotes. Yes. So under quotes, if you want to trade like something that is not here, like gold, you tap plus and then you search whatever it is, like your JPY. Yeah, exactly. So you tap it and add it. So if you add this and it doesn't work, you have to add the next one. Some brokers have, in some brokers, you have to add like two. You see, this was not working. I had to add this one with ECN. Okay, so that's how it works. So if you go to chart, okay, if you tap chart, you are seeing the chart on gold, and here you can change the time frame from M5. I told you yesterday stands for 5 minutes per candlestick. If you go to M15, 15 minutes candlestick, you understand? So here you can tap trade. You can just trade directly from the charts. You can just tap trade and tap trade, and that's it. You can also add indicators, but I told you if you want to analyze, you go to trading view. If you want to place your trades, you come to MT5. So I don't advise anyone to start putting indicators on your MT4 or MT5. So here is where you will be. Once you take a trade, let's just guess one. So let's take gold buy. So I will just take gold buy so that you can see what I'm saying. So you can see if I'm on quotes and I tap gold, it will ask me to trade. I go trade, and then I will just lower my risk because this is for demonstration purpose. I just use 10 lots, and I will tap buy. Okay, so now I have taken a buy. Oh, I think I took a very huge lot size, assuming it's not huge. Oh my god. Oh god. I'll just lose $1,000 because of demonstration. Oh my god. Okay, let me hope just at least it will. Oh my god. Okay, let me just show you really quickly. Oh Jesus. Let me just show you really quickly. Okay. Okay, about the broker today, I will have to mention it. Okay. So this is the where you see your chart, and into 5, you will see some dots here. That's for quicker execution. Okay. Okay, now that's how it will look like once you take a trade. If you take it, if you scroll on your trade, you take it by the side, you have an option of editing your trade and putting your stop loss or take profit. Okay, and then you tap modify. So here you can close it. You see, close with loss, but I'm not going to close with loss. I think it will just go to 0, and then I will exit. Okay, here you have your history, like last month. You have a history of how you've been trading. Here you have your for yeah, I didn't trade last week, like for a month. Yeah, that's how it is. Okay, you can here you can customize maybe from 2023 or 2022. So exactly. So that's how it works, guys. Okay. Now, if you see, I told you, I'm hoping I will close that. So here on setting is where you add your account. So the moment you create your first MT5 or MT4 account, it will not come with these details, guys. This is where you have to add an account. So guys, look how it is done. Okay. So here is where you do it. So you come here, you come exactly here. So I think I will have to hide you guys here so that I can move this screen in the middle. So you have to come here tap the plus, okay, and then log into existing account, and then you will search the broker, that the server. Once you create an MT4 or MT5 in your broker, you will be given some server login. That's where you insert them, and then you will put your login and so on and so forth, and you will get prompted to this page, and you will start taking your trades like that. Okay. Now I think that's it about the MT5. Okay. Now another thing I must mention today is my, okay, let me a minute, guys. There's a minute. I'm looking for someone we call Brenda. Oh, where is Brenda, guys? Just give me a minute. Don't go, don't go. What's the hurry all about? Okay. Okay. You guys, just give me a minute. I have a client that is called Brenda, and I have to sort her out. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for your patience, guys. So now that we have learned about the MT4 or MT5, we have to learn something called trading plan. I will just go direct to the trading plan because I don't want to waste a lot of your time. So, or let me just go through quickly position size calculator. Position size calculator, position size calculator. Position size calculator, or but the guys, sometimes you go to Wealth Hub FX, not .com, global. Someone just this guy is a scammer. This website is a scam, guys. This website is a scam, man. So you can go to this website also. You This is our website where it can help you download the. We have not yet launched it, but it can help you come up with what, guys? It can help you with position size calculator, and ours is even easier. You can also check about the brokers, those asking about the brokers. Okay. So these are according to ratings after a huge research. Oh. So these are not even the ones that researched about them. Okay. So yeah, you can see exam is the leading in terms of everything. Okay. But I think they made a mistake. The minimum deposit on exam is not $15. It's almost zero. It's $5, I think. Yeah, so basically you can do that, or come to FX Group calculator where you just input. No, this I'm going really quickly because I've taught like 100 times. Okay, here you input your account size, your risk ratio, maybe 4%. Remember, I told you the whatever you are risking should remain the same. Your stop loss pips for VIP people, I always give them. But assuming you're not in VIP, you we saw yesterday you can use this info line to calculate, like from there to there, 386, 387. So you come here, your stop loss is 387 and calculate, and it will tell you the lots to use is 0.01. You understand? And you're going to lose $40. So that's how you calculate the lot size using the lot size calculator. Okay, you can see at least our gold has done some good buys. What's happening? Okay, now we continue. Okay, so another thing I want us to learn is a trading plan. A trading plan. So let's see if I have some notes on trading plan. Oh, it's good we learn some, what do you call it? Some terminologies. I will just go through them quickly, and then if you feel you haven't understood, you'll just uh, take the video a bit back. Okay. So basically, we have something that we call confluence. Confluence is the reason why you are taking this trade. Okay. Confluence. If you're in that's why I advise everyone to join like groups, trading groups. So you hear traders saying, what's your confluence on taking this trade? Confluence are basically reasons. So you can have technical reasons. Maybe it has reached support, it has reached supply, it has reached, I don't know, like trend line. Like this is a confluence. It has touched our trend line, it has broken our trend line, and so on and so forth. Okay, what is volume? Volume is the number of active traders in a market. Okay, the more the volume, the more the market moves. Okay, like let's say from 0 tonight to now, there is no volume because you can see the market has been going zigzag. Here, there was a lot of volume. You want to trade when there is volume in the market. So, liquidity also. How many orders are buyers or sellers in the market? Order flow. I mean, when I say liquidity, it has like two terms. When it goes to SMC, it changes its meaning a bit. But basically, is how many buyers and sellers are in the market. How many buyers are taking this market down? How many buyers are trying to take it up? Okay. So another term we need to learn is called retracement. Retracement basically is the pullback. Now, let's say we are selling, you see a pullback, we sell, a pullback, we sell. We buy, a pullback, we buy, a pullback, and so on. The going opposite of the actual market direction is what we call a pullback. Okay, what are pips? So pips are what determine our profit for traders. I mean, that's the simplest way to put it, but it doesn't directly. If you know how to trade, it doesn't directly determine your profit. But for those who don't know much, I will just leave it. That's why you saw me measuring the difference. So let's say from here, it's like it's not like betting, but so from here to here, the difference of that is what we call pips. You understand? And you can measure using this, like I've told you yesterday, or a ruler. Okay, we continue. So sometimes we talk of long. When we say long, we mean buy. When we talk about short, we mean sell. Okay, I hope that's clear. Okay, so I will teach you another thing. We have scalp traders. I mean, these are terms that you should know. What are scalp traders? Scalp traders basically they take as many trades as possible and live within the shortest time possible. So I would like you, once I'm done explaining, you will tell me, are you a scalp trader? We also have day traders. Day traders basically they trade, they hold their trades from above 5 minutes. Yeah, 5 minutes to 1 hour, 1 hour to 12 hours. That's a day trader. Whatever trade suits you is the trade that you're gonna take. Okay, we have swing traders. Swing traders basically they hold their trade from 1 day to 2 weeks. Okay, and position traders take their trades from 1 month up to years and years. So one thing I will tell you, how you can also identify a scammer. There is no one that you can know that is doing position trading. Position traders are those people in Wall Street. You can't have anyone online and is a position trader. Anyone that holds a trade for over a month and that's what they are doing for a living, they are probably lying to you. Because how, if today I said I'm a position side trader, the only trade I take, I'm holding it for a month. So what will I be eating for the whole month, guys? So there is nothing like the more the trade runs, the more you're profitable. No, it's about the RR. Someone can hold a very small trade, tiny trade, but the RR is big. Someone can hold a huge trade, but the RR is small. So position size, positional traders are mostly of them are scammers. Okay, unless they are old from Wall Street where they have money. Okay, another thing I must mention, we have sessions. So sessions basically is when should we be trading. Basically, we want to trade when the banks are open. You remember when I was talking about uh, trading is what when I was defining trading, I told you is the exchange of currencies. Yeah, you want to trade when the banks are open. You want to trade when the bank of for USA is open because we want to trade USD, and also when the UK bank are open because they are the largest. Yeah, so you will have to trade during New York session and London session. Okay, so if you don't know when it's New York or when it's London session, you can install something called Forex Hour app or the Forex Hour app. Okay. Okay, we continue, guys. Someone is advertising themselves in my group. Let me ban them. Okay, that's good. Up to that point, yeah, I see people have started joining. But guys, tomorrow click stick. Ignore that. So basically, guys, now that we have forex marketing, it's called market timing or sessions. We have London and New York. That's what we want to be trading. So in Kenya, you can't find a trader trading saa sita usiku ama saa nane. If you ever hear someone also mentioning they trade saa sita usiku, hawalalangi wakitrade, they are scammers. Because what are you trading? Eh? Because already the New York they have closed, London they have closed. What are you trading? That's what we call Asian session. And I've never had anyone promoting Asian session. So also I would not recommend you. You do what? You trade the same. Okay. So I'll also mention quickly about the risk management so that I want us to get to the technical terms. I mean, technical trading. I don't want us to waste time, a lot of time uh, doing what learning theories. Okay, so risk management basically there are two ways of managing risk. There's the mental, mechanical. There's the mental side and the mechanical side. Okay, so mental side is where you are disciplined and you follow all the rules and you remain calm whatever the trade goes. Even if you just saw I almost lost $1,000, but what did I do? I remained calm. I didn't panic and so told myself, let me just close it before I lose 2,000. No. Okay, you remain calm. And that's the mental side. Mechanical is where you put your stop loss and maybe where if you follow traders, you'll notice there's always a very short, like, what do you call it? A very short note where they have it's ticked somewhere. Those are parameters. They have rules, limits set in place where you have maybe you have written some set of rules for yourself. You tell yourself, I will only take 4 trades in a day. That's a very good position because you are only taking 2 trades on New York and only 2 trades on London. So on mental risk management, that's where we are. It leads to psychology. I will not get into psychology. I want us to finish the theory so quickly that we get started to the technical. I want you to start drawing all this, right? Yeah. So, mentor risk management, develop your mindset for emotional resilience. Okay. So you have to, okay, if you are trading, just avoid being emotional. And this affects the girls. If a girl can beat being emotional in trading, they can be very good traders. But I've noticed with them, it's more about an emotional battle. Okay, I can teach you everything I know, but if you don't unlock that part of yourself, it will not be good for you. Okay, you develop. For men, it's not more about emotion. I think it's about ego. Yeah, you feel you know too much. You feel this trade must go my way, and that's how you lose your money. And you lose it, and nobody will care. So you have to build your discipline and stick to your rules. Mechanical is where you do correct position size. So there's no trading. Let me close this trade before this gold goes back. So guys, you have to understand there is no trading. Yeah, there is no trading. I mean, there is no, what do you call it? There is no, like, no professional trader just guesses the lots. That's why I'm insisting you should not guess the lots. You should learn to do the correct position size. So you have to understand how to put your stop loss. I've taught about that, and how to use the risk reward ratio. I've also taught about that. And if you missed out, just go watch my videos. Okay. Risk management parameters. Let me confirm, guys. I think today we have live trading. We will be trading news live. Let me confirm what time. Okay. We will be here trading live news, the news live, live news live around saa tisa. Saa tisa leo, guys, join this live. Okay, sasa hiyo si boring kama hii. You are seeing either we make money or lose it. Okay, saa tisa. And also, we have a program that should start on February 1st that we are turning $100 to $9,000. So I will be doing a very brief explanation. Saa tisa. Don't miss out. Okay. Limits and goals for, okay. So I've told you about risk management parameters, right? Yeah. So mental risk management, you have to tell yourself it's not for fun. We are here for consistent money. You're not here to make money like short term. Like, treat this as a course. You have to treat Forex as a course. Sawa. Acha nione venye mnasema before niendelee. RR is risk reward ratio. Okay. Don't close that call, bro. Oh, yeah. About the best broker, I've mentioned. Okay, let me first finish. So I think we are done, guys. So tomorrow we can start learning the technical part of trading. So tomorrow we can start drawing charts. Okay. Yeah, guys. Tomorrow we can start drawing charts. Because after yesterday I taught you about everything. So tomorrow we are learning something we call market structure. Market structure. So I think that's it, guys. Today class was short because I wanted to finish all the. Yes, we are not $10. It's so about the best broker, guys. I know HFM was good until they changed their whole management, and everyone has been complaining. So yeah, that's why I prefer the broker that we have been working with ever since. It's like a toxic ex. But at the end of the day, we left them to go. We jumped from frying pan to the fire. So I prefer we just stay in the frying pan. Okay, so if you the best recommended broker, we have tried many brokers. We have tried Just Market. Who is Just Market? I think people just love it because of the leverage. But anyone that loves leverage so much, they don't know much about trading and they just want to flip their accounts. But mostly, how does it end up? They end up making Just Market rich. So I prefer at least our leverage of 1:1,000. That's why I say the best broker is the one that I've attached the link. So I think we've finalized our class there. Tomorrow we start on the market structure. You can see I'm not feeling well, so that's why I don't want to make the class so long. So guys, thank you. Any question? Which prop farm? Guys, avoid prop farms because you guys don't have the qualifications. You don't qualify to make money from a prop farm. That's the problem. You guys know so little about forex. So, guys, let's call it a day. Uh, I'll give the free signals in our Telegram group. Don't worry about that. Yeah. So today 3 p.m. Let's meet up for that class. For I will break down what we need to do to it's here balance from 9,000 from $10 to 9,000. It's going to be the hardest thing that I've ever done in trading. We have done $100, but it's very easy. So, but let's see. Yeah, is it true? The more money you have in forex, the safer you are. That's very correct. Okay. And someone talking about the 33 million in my account. It's not my account. I have investors. Okay, it's not like all my money is there. Yeah. So guys, have a lovely day and enjoy your day, guys. Be blessed.